Alrighty,
Alright,
you
Sam,
guys
go
get up.
underneath gun.
I'm gonna go right side. He goes right for that left gate immediately. Might not be a bad idea to try and punish him. Or left gate he always goes for. Alright, I'm out. For one.
Get the gun.
Oh shit, I'm down. He got me pretty damn quick with that gun. Nice kill. I'm up. Oh wow. Microwave got me.
Pulling gun down.
I'm out.
Wow,
We're two.
he shot me while I was on top of it. Another gun.
Ah man. For one.
I'm up. Cheese, you can ride.
Nice, good job, good kill.
We're two.
Ah, shit. Ah, fuck, I'm down.
Oh yeah, got stuck on the ledge. Good job. Oh!
What? Ah.
I'm on last now. Good gun.
We're two, we're two, we're two.
They're triple.
Oh no, why did I do that? Okay, we're actually, never mind.
Ah, shit. Yeah, I'm down.
Wow, we're last, or we're wiped.
Oh shit, nice.
Yeah, we've had him. We had him for a while. We lost
Yeah.
that. That's an interesting one to watch.
Yeah, I guess we were bunched up when we were trying to punish him. I guess one of us is enough.
Yeah, definitely. If the queen has height on you, be very careful. You gotta get out of there, or you have to bait them into you by hovering.
He had a shield sword too. That,
No,
like,
no, no. I'm not. I did not watch anything, so I'm not saying like I could have done better.
I did too. I didn't do shit. No.
I'm up sword.
Good job. Alright,
Vanilla
I am
sword.
two. I'm two. We're two.
be careful. Actually, just get out. Yeah.
Got
Yeah,
Andres.
keep running berries.
I'm down though. Oh, shit,
wow,
we're wiped.
We're wiped. Fuck.
Alright, he's dead. Good. We're tied on queen. Wow, that was a good shot. I'm on last now.
I know. They're one out on top. They're down tops.
Yeah, I'm ledging bottoms.
Good job. Looking bottom. You can get another one up. Get another one up if you can.
Okay, we're two out on top.
Ah, shit.
Bolton's up.
One person stay in the bottom. One person roam and farm workers. Who's
We're
gonna
down
stay-
on bottom.
who's
We're
gonna
two
stay
out
in
on top. Two out on
Fuck,
top.
I'm down. Okay. Alright, we need one more.
Down. The very end, Brent.
Nice.
Nice.
You drum ledge me pretty good. for that.
We need to
Last
figure
time.
out how to clear open our hive at the top to try to get berries in.
Yeah, that's
Mm.
for
I
sure.
thought of a pretty cheeky open for that map. Like, what if one of the people that was trying to get up went directly to their hive, their top hive, to counter whoever's going for tops, you know, and just steal their berries?
Bottom towers. Alright,
Either way.
we have a mace.
Yeah, we have two mace.
15 seconds.
Oh my god! I fell asleep. I was looking around the map and then fucking died. I was like, what should I be doing?
How big of a monitor are you playing on?
I can measure after.
I'll go near maze.
I'll go wrap. Or
Oh wait, Bolto. Oh wait.
Wrap.
Okay.
oh, shit.
Yeah, we
Good job on berries. We have 4. 5.
Wow, Vinkit.
have two mace. No, there's-
We're 3 out.
Nice. Yeah, let's try to get up.
I'm trying.
On last map.
I'm up.
No, it was a little fun.
Alright, we're up too.
Yeah, we're still.
Could run snail back.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's run.
Yeah, let's
snail
run
back.
this down.
Okay, put that in there.
Remember, do the bee's knees. Walk. Nice.
Got Andres. They got a speed mace again. Yeah, I think that's enough, maybe.
You could just keep doing it.
We're 2 berries. I'm gonna just.
Oh shit.
Honestly, I didn't even know I was on last. That was bad. That was bad on my part. I cleared the snail, and then I saw him follow me, but I was like, whatever. I'll just like